Oh, hey folks, Patrick here from elderlawcare.com. Folks, got a great question from one of our YouTube subscribers. Hey Patrick, how do we file an elder law abuse case because we think something's going on, our loved one is not being cared for properly, whether it's in a nursing home or whether it's a family situation and you believe another family member is neglecting or abusing, or maybe it's a financial, maybe it's not physical, maybe it's not emotional abuse or neglect, maybe it's more financial and you're concerned about that. Well, there's different ways to go about it. Long and short of it, you could report it to Elder Protective Services in your community. You could file a police report if you thought it rose to that level of harm, either fraud, financial fraud, and or physical abuse. And you could have your elder law attorney file a complaint at the courthouse if you're looking for damages. But before you get to all that, folks, numero uno, you need evidence before you do any and all of that, right? You could have a caregiver, for example, who's maybe reimbursing themselves for purchases that they made, and you see packages at the family home from, I had cases where family members are like, oh, my loved one's ordering a lot of Amazon packages with my elderly parents' credit card. Well, when we investigated the matter and assisted them, it turns out it was legitimate, and it was simply reimbursing themselves or purchasing product that was needed for that elderly person. So you can't always jump to conclusions, folks. You have to make sure that you're crossing the T's, dotting the I's, and making sure that you know what the facts are, not just suspicion, okay? So you have to put your Sherlock Holmes hat on. You have to investigate the situation first. But after you investigate the situation, if you talk to the family banker and they verify that large amounts of money are being withdrawn from the family account, yes, then you need to take action. And you have a couple of options. You could advise that family member to remedy the matter within, say, 30 days. Like, hey, we got information, credible information, that you withdrew a large sum of money from mom and dad's bank account, and the money was not used for their care, for their long-term care needs. You bought a new car or a boat or something silly. You need to replace that money within 30 days. And if they do not remedy the matter within that deadline, within 30 days, yes, then you can take action, including filing reports with Elder Protective Services, filing a police report, having your elder law attorney filing a complaint at the courthouse, and taking legal action to maybe sue them to get remedy and reimbursed for the money that they took from your parents' estate. So there you have it right there, folks. And my advice, my recommendation, work with an experienced elder law attorney that's familiar with elder abuse cases so they can help you navigate. They can be that impartial, objective person to help you navigate in the right direction. Folks, thanks for joining us here today at elderlawcare.com. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.